Every day, billions of people use the internet. Messages travel instantly. Videos stream effortlessly. Artificial intelligence responds in seconds. The experience feels wireless, almost magical. But the modern internet is not floating in the cloud. It travels through glass. Thousands of kilometers of glass, hidden beneath the world's oceans. And surprisingly, much of that infrastructure is controlled by only a handful of organizations. The internet was designed to be decentralized. No single computer, no single path, no central switch. But decentralization does not necessarily mean distributed ownership. As the internet expanded, its physical infrastructure became increasingly expensive, and expensive infrastructure attracts capital. Over time, ownership concentrated, not because the internet failed, but because infrastructure rewards scale. Every search, every cloud application, every international video call, every AI request crossing continents depends on physical connections beneath the sea. These cables are among the most important infrastructures ever built, because whoever builds connectivity creates possibility, and whoever owns connectivity creates leverage. The internet is often described as virtual, but almost everything about it is physical. Fiber optic cables, landing stations, network exchanges, routers, data centers, power systems. Every digital experience begins with physical infrastructure. Infrastructure that requires enormous investment, continuous maintenance, and decades of planning. The cloud is not a place, it is an infrastructure business. Infrastructure is expensive. Once built, it becomes difficult to replicate. That creates a powerful economic advantage. New competitors must invest enormous capital simply to enter the market. Existing operators expand more efficiently. Scale creates lower costs. Lower costs create stronger positions, and stronger positions attract even more investment. Technology explains how the internet works. Capital explains why the internet looks the way it does. The companies building global connectivity are not simply moving information. They are building strategic infrastructure. Cloud computing depends on it. Artificial intelligence depends on it. Global commerce depends on it. Every new digital service increases demand. Every increase in demand strengthens the value of the underlying infrastructure. This is the compounding power of techno-capitalism. Infrastructure creates demand. Demand attracts capital. Capital builds more infrastructure. History remembers inventions, but civilizations are shaped by infrastructure, and infrastructure is shaped by ownership. The most valuable assets are often invisible, not because they are unimportant, but because they operate quietly beneath everyday life. The modern internet is not merely a technological achievement, it is also an economic system, one where ownership determines influence, and influence shapes the future. Most people experience the internet through applications. Few ever think about the infrastructure beneath them. Yet without those hidden systems, the digital economy could not exist. Artificial intelligence could not scale. Cloud computing could not operate. global communication could not feel instantaneous. The internet beneath the internet may be one of humanity's greatest engineering achievements and one of its most valuable economic assets. Modern digital connectivity depends on submarine fiber infrastructure, global backbone networks, internet exchange facilities, data centers, and hyperscale cloud architecture. For viewers interested in exploring the foundations of the modern internet economy, additional resources can be found in the description below. If you want to explore more about digital infrastructure, techno-capitalism, artificial intelligence, and the hidden systems shaping the modern world, subscribe to NEXNET and comment below. Who do you think gains the greatest advantage from owning the infrastructure behind the internet? The internet appears invisible, but invisibility does not mean absence. Beneath every search, every video, every AI conversation, every financial transaction, a physical network is working continuously, built with capital, powered by infrastructure, protected by engineering, and quietly shaping the future of civilization. This is NEXNET, inside the modern internet.